Oye Twitch, oye YouTube. Friday, last day of the week for Forex in trading. First 5 minutes just on YouTube and Twitch as always for replays. I was sick yesterday, that's why I did not stream. That's why I barely trade, to be honest, this week. But let's recap. So this week I had only 3 trade. UTC XG already talked about it. Opened last Friday, TP Monday. I had, like I also explained already, GBP CHF that you can see on your screen. So the first came back at break even. I don't know, I was maybe like this. I don't remember exactly, but already talked about it. Came back at break even, did a small move though, and made people break once again. I placed another order, did not filled me by an inch, by a hair, like you say in English. I removed this order now, even if it's going back, because he failed to break my Fibonacci, basically. So I don't like it now, and I think that's it. Get back on Discord. So I just have this free trade this week. Break even here, break even in the DGPY also. You can see people start cheering also their PNL. I'm very happy actually about it. We are like 25 people now on the Discord. When I wake up, everybody already talking about setup and trading, so I'm really happy. That's why I opened it for free. And yeah, not hesitate to come. It's free, link in bio everywhere. And I think that's it. I'm just gonna explain to you why I cut in the DGPY on Twitch and YouTube, and then I'm gonna launch TikTok, where I have most of the question, most of the time. So, so like I said, remove my order on GBP CHF. I put it right above this liquidity, basically this candle. It's liquidity in 4 hours, it's liquidity in smaller time frame. So I removed it. I'm not gonna open. If I do, I will need probably another confirmation like this later. We'll see. But he bait already people once. I think he's going down, but we'll see. Maybe I'm not in it. Anyway, next in the DGPY, I had this trade since Wednesday. I just cut it like 2 hours ago. Why? Maybe it's a mistake that I cut it, but I opened it like this. Last stream it was like up 1.2, 1.3k. He came back. I was okay with it, but he came back a bit lower than I expected. Did that. He failed once again to break the top. So I don't like a pullback in 5 wave like this. It's just some Elliott wave rules. It doesn't mean that it's not gonna break, but it's just me to be safe. We still have more things on our side to buy, like stops, all EMAs, bounce one, break bullish, pullback, confirmation here. So I was in this move, in this confirmation. It did not even fulfill the move, this internal move, and I cut it. I decided to cut it a bit after this candle. My SL was there because of an internal structure where my dots are, and when I saw the candle 4 hour close like this, I would just wait him to pull back just at break even, to basically pay the fees, and I decide to cut it. At worst, if he break, probably gonna keep another entry. Just that he failed 1, 2, 3 times. Yeah, that's why I cut it anyway. Okay, let me just launch TikTok, and we're gonna update all my charts. I watched it a bit, even if I was sick, but I did not took any decision. I think I missed Nasdaq maybe, but yeah, let me launch TikTok, and we are gonna update everything. And even if we're Friday, most of the time with experience, you will see that sometimes the setup come Friday. If you wait Monday, it's too late. So don't say to yourself, "Oh, it's useless to open trade Friday." If you're trading with your own fund, don't hesitate. Fees are not that big. If your prop firm allows you to trade and hold during the weekend, don't hesitate, basically. Okay, let's go. TikTok. Let's go on TikTok. And here we go. Okay, so we're gonna start as always with the indices. Don't hesitate if you have any question, if you have any trade in mind, if you are any trade currently open, if you want my advice, my opinion, my view, don't hesitate to share yours as always. And let's go. Okay, everything is set. Okay, let's go, guys. So, US indices. I miss the short everywhere. I was expecting something like this. Let me get back in 4 hours. Okay, that's why. So, US indices, I'm not in it. Someone talk about it. It took it in smaller time frame, 1 hour, 15. It was also maybe the spot in swing, and it was apparently just I didn't have something clear like this in 4 hours. With candle like this, like I explained on the Discord, when someone took it, I said, oh, you know, he said that he was taking this for scalping, and I said it was maybe even the spot in swing, but with candle like this, it's 50-50 to valid the change of market structure, fractal, price action, and fractal, not market structure, sorry. But irrespective this internal structure, I didn't took it just because, like I said, of this candle, like 50-50. That's why I'm not in short on SP. So that's why now, if you're in this, you can take it. You can keep it, sorry, as long as it didn't take this low, which is the new low of the market structure. Well, on my on capital.com it did not, so do as you like. Next, French indices. I was waiting for a setup in daily. Daily 4 hour, nothing. He break in daily, doesn't smell good. Now we clearly gonna wait for potential short. The market update, the market structure is like this now. He shows even in daily. Yeah, doesn't feel good for French indices. IMAD, Nasdaq. Let me check that. I think I was waiting for something like this. He did exactly what SP did. That's why I'm not in it, because this kind of candle, like I said, it's 50-50, you know, to validate the change of price action, fractal. So that's why I'm not in it. Now, if you want to take it, Imad, check in 1 hour. So it's definitely not the time to look for long. I'm not totally. I don't like to catch a move that's already gone, but I'm not against a trade above this with your resell above this. So do as you like, but personally, I think I missed the trade up there. Like I said, it was my decision to not take it with a candle like this. Like I said, 50-50. But everything is bearish on Nasdaq, on every US indices, like you know, and like I said, since the last 2-3 weeks now. Anyway, so personally for me, nothing to do on Nasdaq. If you're already short, you can keep it. You can keep it. First target, my first Fibonacci, best target, the low of the big structure, daily, this one. The red line at 23.846 exactly. Let me just remove market structure, internal market structure. I don't care anymore. One I don't care. One I don't care. We only care about this one. Yeah, Imad. If you want to indeed take a trade on Nasdaq, yeah, it's better to. It's best to sell, yeah. Okay, next US 30, same. He did what I thought. I'm not in it, basically because of the same reason. Did not give me my confirmation I wanted. He gave me my confirmation there. Did not pull back like I wanted to take the trade. So that's all. Gold. Let me check gold. Nothing new on gold. You break in 4 hours. Still have the daily time, the daily market structure bullish here, but it's only internal structure. So personally, I'm waiting for a potential long. If you give me something like this lower, now he struggled to break this daily order block he created along the way in this pullback. Some people told me 2 days ago that they'd start selling here. I was not with them, just because I don't have, because of this daily order block, and because I did not have also a 4-hour order block. Something I like, but now pullback 50%, fractal here, pullback. I'm not especially against the shorts. like this. Let me check on smaller time frame. You have this internal 1 hour structure now here. Yeah, not against it actually. I'm totally for it actually. I'm totally up for it. EMAs, bumps on EMAs, 3 wave, landed here. I think I even myself gonna try this actually. Okay, let me just enter this trade on gold very fast. You won't see my PNL on TikTok because if I put it, TikTok restrict my stream, but you can see it on Twitch or YouTube. I'm gonna put myself above the internal structure 1 hour. Okay, let's go. Optimal target gonna be there. Okay. Next. Personally, Mad, do as you want. I don't do any signal, but I personally open this trade. Next. Next. Use 30 down. Nothing new on DAX. It took all the liquidity. Still in this daily market structure. So DAX, I'll be interested in trading this only if you break this first. Fractal daily, same fractal 4 hours, so we'll see. Yeah, Simad. But don't follow my trade if you don't understand it. Because maybe I'm gonna close it sooner than you. I know how to manage my my trade. But don't copy trade if you don't know how it works. Okay, DAX, if you break this, I'm gonna put an alert. We'll see later in the next few days. We'll see next week. Give me something like this. Daily, 4 hour. I'll be in. Next, BTC. It did not fulfill yet a potential corrective wave. Like I said, I was waiting for a potential long up there around 74, 75k. Let me remove the EMAs I have there. A bit surprised about this pullback, but it can bounce because you have decent field order block, and it's also the order block daily. Still no fractal against you 4 hour. So if he does something like this in 1 hour, I can understand a long. We'll see probably this weekend or Monday about that. Next, don't hesitate if you have any question or if you want me to analyze something else for you. As always, I'm just updating my chart personally. I guess Ethereum did the same. Yes. I guess it's also the last order block daily. Yes, it is. So exactly the same as BTC. if he does something like this in 1 hour, why not start to catch this long, even if, as you know, in absolutely every big time frame is bearish. So that's why I'm more waiting for a potential short up there, but we'll see. Next, Euro USD. Nothing new. He fulfilled this. No, he did not. My bad. So yeah, I was a bit surprised that he did not fulfill at least this corrective move. Since he break, he fractal bearish. So I'm not gonna touch this. Like you know, if I want to trade on Euro USD, it will be something like this. Because big structure is still bullish, but I need something like this, I think, in daily time frame. So we'll see next week, basically. Next, Euro GBP. Nothing new. He break bearish 2 days ago. Did not give us a clean setup in 4 hours. Gave a setup there. In 15, I think it was. Okay, yeah, I gave a small setup, but I did not like it enough. Everything is bearish. I'm not gonna touch it except give us a pullback up there. We'll see. For now, I don't care. Euro GPY still struggling in this order block daily. I guess like GBP GPY. Someone talked about it in the Discord yesterday. I said that I wasn't confident enough to long, even in 15. It was in 15. Did not break here with a candle close, but only with wick and below 1 hour time frame. I don't count the wick personally. Most of the time it's just baked. So yeah, besides that, nothing new. He can still bounce, give us a setup up there too short because the big time frame, still the big structure, big time frame are still bearish. So we'll see. I'm not gonna touch this anytime soon. I think we'll see next week. GBP USD. Same then. Euro USD basically. A bit surprised he did not fulfill this corrective move yet. Maybe he will, and if he does, if he gives me something like this, I'll check for a short basically. Now that every internal structure are bearish, and for a long, personally, I wait lower and a potential pattern like this, and I think you need to be in daily to play this. So we'll see. Euro CHF just ended his move following his market structure 4 hours. So someone in the Discord pre-shot this. I did not, because I don't pre-shot. I need confirmation about price action, fractal, and it did not give me something like this. But wasn't a bad trade. Just me want to increase my win rate, so I don't like to pre-shot. And now the market structure is like this, and there's nothing to do for now on Euro CHF. Next, Euro CAD, still definitely not the time too long. Someone asked me about it 2 days ago, I think. But Euro CAD, absolutely every time frame is bearish now. daily is. We even have this internal bearish structure against you. Weekly. There's weekly. Yeah, that's the point, to save the weekly structure, but with a candle like this, there's no way long. Euro CAD. Maybe you play a correction if he fractal bullish, at least in 4 hours up there. But if not, I'm not gonna touch Euro CAD anytime soon. Personally, I don't know about you. Next, don't hesitate if you have any question or if you want me to write something for you, as always. I just updating my chart. Euro AUD hit a new low this candle 2 days ago, so I need to update the market structure 4 hours. In 4 hours, I count the wick of the candle personally. So is like this now. Is between this point and this point. I don't like that we're seeing new low closer from each other. So maybe it's gonna break bullish soon. But for now, we took the last liquidity here. So maybe we missed a short. No confirmation in 1 hour. So we only missed an internal move in 15 minutes for now. He respected this internal structure 15. So I think it shows the good thing that did not took any big long to target the low. Now. Now. There was this long to take, but the move is done. Maybe time to short actually. Ended this pullback in ABC. Ended between 1 and 1.23 as always. Fractal bearish. So personally, I don't think it's a bad trade to take this in 15, but I guess it's a bit too late. Check EMAs. Go against EMAs 15, but okay, why not? Bounce on 1 hour. Okay. Daily time frame. This, okay. Do I have a small confirmation in lower time frame? Yes, with this candle 5 minutes. Okay, okay. Okay, let me open this. Let me just open this very fast. Oh, you there. Let me calculate my position. 3.8. Okay. Next. Hesitate if you have any question, guys. If you want me to write something else for you. You can see my live PNL on YouTube and Twitch if I put it on TikTok. My stream is restricted for now. Okay, so next. USD CAD. Okay, break bearish there. Pullback. So there was a trade here, but no confirmation in 4 hours. But now the structure, the internal structure is like this. So if you're short on USD CAD, you can keep it. You have all this liquidity to take. Yeah. For me, it's too late, but if you're short on USD CAD, you can definitely keep it. I think at least until this, which is 1.35517. Personally, for me, late. Okay, next USD CHF. So I talk about it since like 2 weeks. Like I said, I had a long here. Closed it before FOMC to be safe. I don't like big news. FOMC especially. Finished this corrective move, 3-wave ABC I planned, but I don't have a pattern like this in 4 hours, so that's why I'm not in short. Is it too late to grab something? I think it is. Can we count this fractal 4 hour maybe? He pulled back. Okay, so basically I missed it. Maybe this was a good trade. If you're in this, good for you. I don't think it's a bad trade. You can keep it, your optimal target. It's all the way down. And if you see something like this in 4 hours against you, think about closing it. But as long as you don't see something like this in 4 hours against you, you can keep it, basically. I'm not in it, but hold on if you're in. Okay, next. USD CHF. Okay, so we missed a small move there. Probably we missed it, but I think probably would be break even on this. Now, bait people did not close above my Fibonacci. But you have this liquidity there, so I don't like it. I would prefer him to take this liquidity. So I'm not gonna touch this, basically, personally. Now you have also this internal market structure, 4 hour here. So, personally, on USDGPY, except if two scenario on USDGPY, as you know, is bearish on big structure, currently pull back. I can open a trade only if you break this internal structure, pull back, I can be in, or if you take the last liquidity and then offer me just a fractal 4 hour, I can be in. But as long as I don't have one of these two scenarios, I'm not gonna open a trade on USDGPY personally. Okay, next. Don't hesitate, as always, if you have any question or if you want me to analyze something for you. Gold. Gold, I opened a short like 5 minutes ago. Based on 1 hour 15 minutes, I'm targeting this unfilled order block 4 hour, which is also the low, the last liquidity of the daily internal market structure we have there. And we'll see later if it gives us along if he does a setup like this. So we'll see. Just put an alert around my SL based on 1 hour market structure, internal market structure there. So we'll see. Okay, next. Silver. Nothing new on silver actually. Like I said, it's more clean than gold because of this big structure 4 hour during the dump. He break this, so now we definitely look for long. So either he's gonna respect this internal structure, the last red circle, and give me something like this, and you have a setup like gold. No, because this one you don't have any pullback 50% of this first break. Okay, next GBP AUD. What do we have? What was the plan here? It was bullish since this, yes. But there was no liquidity, so I was waiting for a setup in 1 hour and it gave it actually there. Okay, we missed a trade yesterday, but I was sick, like I said, I wasn't a lot in front of my chart, but we missed this. That's fine. For those who took the trade on GBP AUD, the optimal target was there, so normally you should be out. So nothing to do now. Next, Euro NZD. Absolutely nothing. It was the perfect decision to cut my long 2 weeks ago around there when I saw Fractal against me. But beside that, I didn't took this one. So I don't like it enough to try another. Long is just raging, so NZD without me, I don't like it. I'm not gonna touch this probably during the next few days. GBP-CHF, so like I said, he break even me once. At least I think I was. And now he missed my order by an inch. I was like this. And now I remove my order. Is it the right thing to shorten this? If I take this short now on GBP-CHF, so this candle did not fill me, but now if I take this, my sell will be there. But no liquidity in this in 4 hours, in 1 hour. No liquidity in 15 also. So only in 5. Okay. Let me see maze. That spot. That's the spot. Is it the right thing to do? I think it is. I think it is. I think I should take this. Okay, I would like one last confirmation, and it's this. Break market structure in 1 minute, fractal 5 minutes, which is the time frame where we have liquidity to take during this pullback. So I can't base my trade on 15 and above for my confirmation, and it will be also fractal 15. Okay, so I put my alert there. If it break, I can open an order on GBP/CHF like this. Okay, we'll see. My alert is set on GBP/CHF. So no trade open yet, but if my alert thing based on 5-15 minutes, I can open the trade. Okay, next. Don't hesitate if you saw something I didn't. I'm open to any opinion. And don't hesitate if you have any question. GBP NZD, I missed it. Someone called this on the Discord. So good for him. I'm very happy that people just sharing setup on Discord. Now, the market structure is like this now. Let me see if it was this clean. We had fractal 4 hours there, yes. And back. Okay. Well, Mr. Bauer, I don't do signal. I don't like signal. Don't copy anyone if you don't know what you're doing, because sometimes I just show you my thinking process. If I open a trade in front of you, it happens. I don't advise you to do it because I know how to manage my trade, how to cut it sooner, for example. It happens a lot that the market don't go to your optimal target, so that's why. But I share my plan, my ideas here in live and also in my free Discord, and you have other people who just do the same. So you can discuss if you want. You have the link in the bio. It's free, and yeah. GBP USD. Personally, there are absolutely nothing to do. I don't like it for now, except if he gives me something like this. He's completing his corrective move, but he break an internal structure daily, so I won't search for big long. But if he slow down there and give me a setup, I might take the short. It's not end and shoulders, it's just fractal, you know. Basically fractal changing the price action. Okay, GBP CHF just bang. So I think I should open a trade on GBP CHF. Okay, next. Don't hesitate if you have any question, guys. If you want me to write something for you, I'm almost done updating my chart. Okay, GBP and ZD, so nothing to do left. We missed the trade there, personally. Some took it on the Discord, well played to them. GBP, CAD, we get back in 4 hours. Everything is bearish still. We can't play the correction yet. The plan is still to follow the trend. If you give us a pullback is something we like. Around here, nothing to do, guys. If you break this, maybe we could play the correction later. But for now, nothing to do on GBP. CAG. It's start to slow down, so I think it's gonna correct soon. We'll see. Let's not forget that everything is bearish in big time frame. Mr. Bauer, first I use market structure SMC to identify the trend and the market structure, and after for confirmation I use fractal, basic price action, when I'm on the right zone basically. And I can add, but it's mostly for confirmation, divergence EMAs, but it's not the main things. Okay, GBP, GPY. Okay, like I said, it wasn't the right spot to play the big short yet. He's bouncing, he did not succeed to take this. Now, like Euro GPY, still expecting for something like this. And if you pre-shot, it wasn't a bad thing to do. I don't like to pre-shot in daily. And you're still safe because your SL must be there. And personally, I'll see if I can open a trade later and be with you basically if you're in this. Okay, nothing to do. CADGPY, just break this one. We need to update the chart. Okay, so let me just update this one. Like this now. CADGPY and this. And there's nothing to do. Okay, USD/GPY, already talked about it. You bait people once with this, but you don't have any close, so maybe it's gonna go down now. But personally, I'm not gonna open any trade except if you break this internal structure created there, or if you take the last liquidity there. You see this one, and in that case, just a classic fractal there will be enough. But personally, I don't touch USD/GPY yet. And gold, personally, I just opened a short, but I'm looking for a buy later, lower if you give me something like this in 4 hours. And you're waiting for a swing buy around 4961. While I'm waiting for him a bit lower, 4944. But yeah, I hope this internal daily structure, not this one, but this and this, is gonna be enough for him to bounce, basically. Olona, you mean at the top? Yeah, more like personally, like I said, I just personally wait till he takes this last liquidity. Probably, maybe even can get back in this. But yeah, I'm not gonna play any short yet. But if he does break this internal structure, I think it will be the time. But now, no. Okay. Mr. Bauer, on gold. Oh, I think, yeah, you have a lot of shares that is coming back. I don't pre-shot. So, but if it's a way to trade and set your order there, yes, I think it's not a bad trade to take this. Okay, next. Trees, I just opened a short on gold actually. Because he pulled back 50%. He fractal in 4 hours. He creates an internal structure 1 hour, so that's why. But I opened it like 15 minutes ago. Euro USD, Mabuda, personally nothing. I don't like it. He did not even fulfill corrective move like GBP USD is doing. Maybe gonna start from there, but for this you need to break this. So personally, I'm not gonna touch this. And for the big long, now that he broke this internal structure daily, I think I need something like this in daily to open any long. Okay, next. Where was I? UD GPY. Let me check. Okay, so we break this with this week. No liquidity. Okay, maybe you're gonna go down from here, but the chart is not actually I was wrong here. Why I put this here? Oh, because you take this. Okay, so in that case, okay. So yes, the market structure was still like this. You break it there, but no liquidity here in the pullback, except in 1 hour. We missed a short there, but it was only in this. Okay, he's raging. I don't like it. UDGPY, I'm not gonna touch this. Okay, next. Mr. Bauer, depend. Lately, since beginning of the year, I'm just at 50%. But it's because I search to increase my risk ratio, so I don't put always my SL at the safer place. But it's enough. I'm up 45k for now. My goal is plus 100k this year. I finished the year 25 at 84, 85. But this year I don't use prop firm anymore, so I think I can do more. And that's it. Okay, next you see a chef, perfect spot based on market structure, but I don't have any confirmation yet. And you still have this last liquidity here, so maybe it's not gonna take it, but it will be a better trade if basically he does something like this. Okay, so we'll see, but I'm not gonna touch that. Next, AUD and ZG, like AUD GPY. So this one is bullish. The issue is you don't have liquidity in 4 hours in this market structure. You have some in 1 hour, but it took all the liquidity and you don't have any confirmation because the confirmation is there. So it's too far. So if we want to trade USD and NZD, we will need an We will hope for something like this. Until then, I'm not gonna touch that. Okay, next. UTCAD, everything is bearish. That's my only win this week. 3.8 Monday, since I just opened to trade that came back at break even. And now is into this. There's nothing to do. Actually, I need to update. Not into this, it's into this now. Update this. So everything is bearish. What can he grab next? I'm going to probably there in daily. Okay, so we will wait for another short to take, basically on a UTCAD. But we need, as always, something like this. We'll see. Next, Mr. Bauer. Personally, I opened a short here in gold, on gold, based on 1 hour 15 minutes. So is it a good trade? We'll see. I don't think it's a bad one, but it's not the perfect spot to have the best probability and win ratio. But personally, I think my SL is based on internal structure 1 hour, so it's not 4 hour. But I'm fine with it. Even if he hit my SL, I'm fine. And yes, Corentin, I'm French. I just rather do content in French. In English, it's more interesting. But you can ask your question in French if you want. If you don't mind me, I'll answer in English, that's all. USD, I'm a bit surprised that he did not fulfill this. But I guess it's because it wasn't in 4 hours. So now, nothing to do here. So USD, unfortunately, here you don't have something like this in 4 hours. So that's why it's not bouncing yet. And that's why I did not took this trade. But I still thought that it would at least complete a move in 1 hour here. He did one, but did not catch this zone. A bit surprised for those and disappointed for those who were in this. I know some ask me about that. Anyway, normally they should put at least their SL at break even anyway. Okay, nothing to do on Euro, on AUD USD. Don't like it enough. Even if he took the last liquidity of the market structure 4 hours. But you don't have any confirmation 4 hours yet, so we'll see. That's why maybe he's gonna go lower first. Jolibois, yeah, good week. I was a bit sick. That's why I did not trade a lot. I just TP 3.8k on AUDCAD, and since I opened to trade on GBPCH Chef and NZD-JPY, that came back at break even, like I show on the Discord basically. USD-CAD, yes, USD-CAD, if I remember it well, yes, time to short. You break this, pull back, you have this internal structure there, you have this liquidity in this internal move to take. So I think if you're already in this, personally I missed it, can probably put your TP at 1.3551 first, and you'll see after that. I think it's the best TP here. Not to be too cocky. Let's not forget that my blue box, it's because it's the spot to bounce for a pump in weekly time frame. Mr. Bauer, most of the time I'm in live during 1-2 hours basically. The time to update my plan and all my charts and to answer some question basically. Gold MM. Personally, I opened a small short because he broke for the 4-hour market structure. Pull back 50% there. He fractal 4 hours there. Pull back and created this internal structure. 1 hour. He slowed down in a zone where an IBC should end. So that's why I'm in this. But on the long term, we have this daily internal structure. So he broke in 4 but not in daily. So I still expecting later to take a long if you give me something like this basically. Okay, next, where was I? I almost done updating my chart. UDCHF, nothing new. We're waiting for something like this. I need him to take this last liquidity there, basically. And yeah, nothing new here. NZD, USD. So this one did his move. What AUD USD did not in 1 hour. He did his move and he gave a short actually since. So now I think NZD USD except if he fractal once again here in 4 hours, I think is more probably something like this. Let's not forget that the big structure is bullish. So we'll see, but nothing to do yet. Too late, too short, too soon, too long, basically. And if you took this short up there in 1 hour, your target is this, and put your SL already at break even. So the perfect entry was either here or there. So put your SL at break even already. Stay like this. Okay, next, and the DCAD. Nothing new. So we broke 4 hours. Why I have this box? Because it's the last order block daily, and in daily time frame is still no. You have this internal structure daily. That's why I had this red box. So yeah, I need something like this in daily. If not, I'm not gonna touch. And the DCAD basically. Oil, yes. As you know, I don't trade oil, but that's right, that some of you like it. Look, he broke in daily. So it's definitely bullish. But as you know, this analysis is just based on the chart, not on the news. So I guess if you're asked, it's because you want to know till where you can keep it. Weekly. honestly now, as long as you don't see something like this against you in weekly, I think you can keep it. Huh? As long as you don't see any fractal, basically any order block, break in weekly, I think you can keep it. After it's you and you. If you want to TP sooner to cash your trade, it's never a bad thing to do. But yeah, you have a lot of liquidity all around. Seeing the chart, I think is just gonna keep pushing. Even in 4 hours, you don't have any sign for him to slow down. So personally, if I was you, except if I see something like this in daily or weekly, I'd still be in basically. Okay, where was I? In the DCHF. Why have this? Oh yeah. So we broke in daily 4 hours, but you have also this internal structure. 4 hours is bearish. The perfect spot to take the short was there, but it was pre-shot without confirmation 4 hours. Optimal target still here. And yeah, I think he's gonna grab the low. Actually, we have a short here, but I don't think the risk ratio is 1.5. 1.5. No, I'm not gonna. Open this. Okay. Okay. Next. And this one, I cut it at break even. Was it a good thing? I don't know. Like I explained beginning of the stream, I didn't like that he failed once, 2 time there. So that's why I cut it at break even. At first I had my SL. I was like this exactly. I was like this exactly. Then I moved my SL there because of this internal market structure 1 hour. But I decided to cut it. Maybe it wasn't the best ideas because I didn't like this candle close 4 hour basically. So that's why. But if it break, anyway, it's gonna give us another long to take. So that's all happened. I don't mind. And why big structure still bullish. Respected his daily time frame there, like we said last week. But now, like internal structure 4 hours there. Fractal daily also. He swept the high daily. I think if we have something like this in 4 hours, it's gonna be the time to short. But anyway, nothing to do for now is pushing. Okay. Okay, nothing to do yet. Can you sell on gold? Personally, I have a short. I opened it like 15, 30 minutes ago. Put my SL at 5.195. So do as you want, but I don't do signal. Don't open a trade if you don't know what you're doing. Because personally, maybe I'm gonna cut it sooner, you know. Because I know how to manage my trade. So if I see something against me, I can cut it sooner. Or for example, if I don't like this candle close 4 hour, I can cancel my trade. But yeah, based on what I'm seeing, yeah, no regrets on this trade anyway. Okay guys, I'm done updating all my charts. So short on gold, short on GBP CHF, opened in live too. Like I said, he didn't take my big order right there. It was, but I think it was time to open the trade like this, based on 15 5-minute time frame. And I open one last one. On Euro AUD. Okay. And Euro AUD. Okay. The safe target is there. Safe target here. Optimal target there. It's always the same. If I see something against me I don't like, I can cut it sooner. See something like this, for example. And same here. Optimal target, technically it's a new low, but if I see something I don't like, I will cut sooner. Okay, I don't think Nasdaq gonna go higher today, for what is worth. I said beginning of the stream that I would not mind a trade like this. Someone asked in the chat, and seeing lower time frame. And seeing lower time frame, indeed, I think this was a short, a scalp actually. Too late, but okay, guys. I'm done updating my chart. If you don't have any question left, I'm not gonna stay long, so don't hesitate if you want me to write something for you. And we'll see what the market has for us next week. GBP as soon as it break my Fibonacci, I put my sell at break even, just for you to know. Hey, I think that's it, guys. This anymore. Okay, guys, 5 minutes, and if you don't have any question, I'll cut the stream, so don't hesitate. If you have any last question, or if you want me to write something else. And I think, yes, we miss the scalp on Nasdaq. Okay, Boyzin was about to leave, to be honest, but if you have, can stay if you're here to discuss a bit. I don't mind. I think we miss a scalp on Nasdaq there. Like I said 5 minutes ago. Which asset, Boyzin? Okay, we missed the optimal entry on Nasdaq, so I'm not gonna try to catch this now, but yeah, we definitely missed this. And actually I think the target is all the way down here. GBP-GPY. I don't know what you have, guys, with GBP-GPY. It's like Legacy who came back many times this week. I didn't see something I like with GBP-GPY, Euro-GPY this week. It's just ranging into his daily order block. That's why I wasn't confident about the short. So yeah, it was a spot to be shot daily here, but the stop loss to be there. In that case, but in lower time frame. Oh. I mean, it's difficult to take a trade in any time frame as long as you're in something like this. Actually, as long as you're between a high and a low, like this in 4 hours. Especially because he failed 2 times to take the low already. That's why I wasn't a fan of Legacy, who was selling too short there. I mean, he succeeded to take a trade 15, but I guess you took a short there, Boyzin. You saw this in 4 hours and you use your strategy. Ouais. Well, you know me, I don't like to trade if I don't like what I see in 4 hours first. I can execute in lower time frame, but only if I like 4 hour time frame first at least. Then 1 hour. But here, yeah. And technically, even with your strategy, you were, oh no. Oh yes, you were against the daily. You don't check the daily first? The candle daily? but yeah, it was just and like I said to Legacy, the thing is also technically he break this internal structure there, so that's why it was supposed to bounce. Okay. No, and actually in 4 hours, I think it was a spot too long. You break this internal structure 4 hours. Candle like this, it's 50-50, but I guess he baits people in 1 hour. Retook this, but did not succeed to take the low. And then once he fractal, the perfect entry was like this. But yeah, it was risky. Your trade was a bit risky. But in 15, you could have expected him to take this, at least. I'm agree with you on that. Happens, boys in. Yes, exactly. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave. Like I said, I updated all my charts. Wish you the best for your trade, and I probably see you on Monday. Don't hesitate for those who are not already on the Discord to come. We share basically our setup. That's all this free, just for you guys to not trade alone. And yeah, see you guys, bye bye. See you probably on Monday. I'll keep you updated anyway.